Today I'm going to be reviewing Potaroma Dog Puzzle Toy, 2 levels, slow feeder. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me. This does really well on Amazon. It gets 4.4 stars with over 3,500 reviews, and 1,000 of these were bought in October of 2025. It's a really cool unit. Let's go ahead and take a look at this with my dog. So just overall, a really good idea. Like I said, again, when they press on the top, that releases more stuff, and then they can start playing around. So there you go. She's starting to figure it out. But if you have like an aggressive eater too, this is a perfect thing. My other dog, Miley, she's very aggressive. So we have a bowl that has like swirls in it to stop her. So over time, it's going to be hard to film this over a few seconds. But what a great idea. There you go, Potaroma. One last thing to keep in mind when you're starting off, you just put the food in so they learn how to do the lids. Then you move on to level 2 where the food in the middle and they can press the button. Really a fun toy, I think, for the dogs. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.